Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your browser. Then this tutorial I'm using Chrome browser. The next thing you want to do is to come to your address bar right here. Go ahead and type in any video converter, hit enter on your keyboard, and it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on the first result right here. Right click on it and then click on open link in the tab. Then go ahead and click on here. Then you have it right here. Any video converter free. So best free video converter and compress software with millions of API and devoted for over 20 years. So scroll down right here. You have some of these are free right here. The next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on here. If you are using go ahead and click on free download for Windows, click on it, and it's going to redirect you right here. Download any video converter free instantly. Go ahead and just like so, you can see the application has successfully here. Go ahead and click on save, and right here allow it to save successful. It's just about 9.2 megabytes right here. So it has been successfully downloaded to your PC. Next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and minimize our browser. And we want to make sure we look for our download folder to bring out the software setup. So for that, I'm going to open up this particular folder right here. And I'll go ahead and click on my download folder and go ahead and click on the software setup right here. Go ahead and hit enter key on my keyboard. After you have successfully download and install any video converter, let's see how we can use this particular app to convert from MP4 to AVI on your Windows PC. So let's go. The very first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on the any video converter, click on it to run the app, open up the app. Then it's going to open up like so. Next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and click on format convert. So here we go. Next thing you want to do here is to click on this plus sign right here or come down below right here. Go ahead and click on add media files. The next thing you want to do is to locate where you have your MP4 file. So I have it on my folders right here. I'm going to go ahead and select an MP4 file right here. I'm going to use this particular file, hit on open. Now the file has been successfully uploaded right here, so you can see detail about the file. Then you have to choose your output file right here. So for that, go ahead and click on here and then make sure you look for AVI. Go ahead and click on that. Once you select AVI, so you have your resolution, go ahead and choose your resolution. You can increase the resolution right here. As for me, I'm going to put it in 100% right here. Then video encode. Then you have FPS right here. You can change the frame rate per second right here. So I'm going to leave it as the original frame rate right here. The original quality right here. You can also adjust the quality of the video right here. Then here, the audio file format here, which is MP3, as MP3 right here. And the next thing we want to do right here is to come to the top right here. Click on convert now. So click on that. Then here you'll be asked to select your output file folder right here. So select the output directory right here. So what you need to do is to click on here. Then you have to make sure you locate a file folder where you can have the export easily. So I'm going to select my backup file right here. I'll click on this folder right here. Then I'm going to go ahead and hit on OK. Then come down below right here, hit on continue. Now you can see it started to so after successful conversion, then you have the file right here. So by the time you can see now, the file is now AVI file format from MP4. It's that simple. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.